channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my photos for Instagram. I did pop a poll up on my Instagram story and asked if you guys wanted to see this video, and a lot of you said yes. So I'm gonna scooch over to the side and I'm gonna do a screen recording on my phone, and I'll put that up here. That way I don't have to show you my actual phone screen. So I'm gonna start I guess by showing you what apps that I use. These are all the apps that I use to edit my photos. I don't use all of them. I mainly use Preview is what I plan out my Instagram photos on. So that's what I plan out all my photos on. And then I have Color Tone, which I use a lot, Unfold I use a lot, and Lightroom I use the most. So I guess I'll start off by going straight into Lightroom. Alright, let's do this one. Okay, so this is a photo that I took in my room the other day. As you can see, it's kind of just, you know, normal photo. So I slide on over to presets. This is literally going to be a 2-second video. I use Benita Shoes presets. They're my absolute favourite. I'm going to go through and show you all of my favourite ones. It depends on where the photo is taken, if it's taken outside or inside, if it's natural lighting, if it's a gloomy day, if it's a bright day, it kind of depends. But I do have my few favourite presets that I like to use, and I do actually have a discount code for Benita Shoe presets. If you use the code Amy Lauren, you get 10% off. So you can go down into the description. I'll link her Instagram and the website and everything where you can purchase them. So after you watch this video, if you decide that you want to purchase Benita's presets, you can use my code Amy Lauren and you get 10% off. So the first one, my first favourite, is from the Boho Goddess pack, and that is the Barnyard one. And I like the kind of, like, you can see how easy that is. Like literally just one click and it's edited. So the Boho Goddess Barnyard one is one of my favourites. And then also Burnt Orange Go-To as well is a little bit darker, a little bit more orange, but I like that kind of orangey look. And then I also love Golden Hour 1920. That's also one of my favorites. You can probably tell that there's kind of like an ongoing theme between all of these. And I also really love there's another Golden Hour one. Which one is it? I think it's that one. Yeah, Golden Hour Sunkissed is a little bit more natural, not as like bright and orange. And then I also really love Maldives Burnt Orange. So that's that one. I think that one is probably my top favorite, just because I like how it makes the background and everything so white, and then it makes my skin look like it has a little bit more color in it as well. So those are all my favorite presets that I use most often, but as you can see, like, she has so many. There's a few different packs, but my top favorite packs would definitely be Burnt Orange, Golden Hour, and Maldives. They're my top 3 preset packs. Then I will show you what I do if I need to change something. So let's just say that I want to use the Boho Goddess Barnyard, but sometimes I might slightly change the preset if I can't find one that matches what I want my photo to look like. So I'll just go into the color mix and go into saturation, and I'll just turn the orange down a little bit. And then I might go into light, and I usually turn the shadows down a little bit too, just to make the blacks in the photo look a bit darker. And then I'll just go into whites and brighten that up a little bit too. And then I'll go ahead and export that. And then I'll go into Color Tone. Then I will pop that into Color Tone. And then I'll use this Maldives preset as well. And sometimes I'll turn that down a little bit. And I'll go into Grain and turn the grain up. And then that is the final photo. So I don't do this to all photos. I only do this if I feel like it's necessary and if I can't get the right color and tone and everything that I want from the Bonita Shoe presets, but most of the time I do get the color and stuff that I want from the Bonita Shoe presets. So I'm gonna go and show you another one. I'm gonna do this one because it's a little bit of different lighting. The one before was a lot brighter. This one is more of a golden hour kind of look. So I'm gonna go into presets, and then for this kind of photo with this kind of lighting, you can see the lighting's a bit more yellow. I do like to use the golden hour presets. With this one, it does make it a little tiny bit orange, but that's easy fixed. Again, just going to the color saturation. Sorry, someone's calling me. Okay, so I was just turning down the orange in that a little bit, just like that much. And then that's one filter. And then I'll go into another one that I like to use. For this one, I really like Daybreak and Sunkissed. Sunkissed is one of my favorites for the more golden hour kind of photos. But I guess it all depends on what theme you want for your Instagram. If you want more of like the bright colors or more of like the orange tone, or if you want it to be more like white and minimalist kind of looking. But yeah, those are my presets that I like to use. And I don't really use much else. I use Makeup Plus if I want to like smooth out my skin tone a little bit. But that's really the only thing that I use that for. So if I go into, so that one, this one, the only thing that annoys me about this app is that when you put it in, it automatically edits it for you. So I like to just go in and put all of those back to normal, so my face looks like my face. And then I'll turn that down too. And then the only thing that I really touch in here is the smooth. So I mean, that's like really insanely smooth. But I just edit that depending on how smooth I want my skin to look. Sometimes it doesn't make that much of a difference, but if I have like a small blemish or something that I want to get rid of, I will use that. But that is like the only thing that I really edit on my face, because I obviously don't want to edit my photos too much. The only thing that I really like to change is like the color and the filter. That's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget about my discount code for Bonita Shoe presets. It is Amy Lauren for 10% off. I'll have all of that information down in the description bar as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.